Okay, let's start make a simple Japanese sentence from zero. Okay, today's sentence is, okay, そうですね。This is 100 yen. This is 100 yen. Okay, how would you say that in Japanese? Okay, if you check your dictionary, this is これ、これ。The is this, this. Okay, then yen. Okay, actually we say n, n. Okay, do you know how to say 100? Okay, 100, 100. Okay, you might want to say これです円100, これです円100. But unfortunately, it doesn't make sense. Okay, let's figure out. Because Japanese sentence has a unique word order. Generally speaking, many Japanese sentences based on topic were noun, particle, and then verb. Okay, if you follow this word order, I can write this way. This is 100 yen. Okay, this 100 yen is, if it's in English, it sounds a bit weird, but that's a Japanese word order. Verb need to be at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's work on little by little. Okay, as we find out, this is これ, これ. Okay, then followed by は, は. は is a topic marker indicating what is the main topic in the sentence. In this sentence, main topic is これ, これ, this. Okay, then we need to focus on 100 yen. So we find out n100, n100. But we don't say that way. We say 100 yen, 100 yen. Yeah, we need to swap the order. Okay, これは100円、100円. Then is, we say this, this, desu. Then Japanese full stop is small tiny circle. これは100円です. Maybe you might worry about particle, what we should put in here. But conclusion is you don't have to worry about particle. Because in many cases, particle is like prepositions in English, such as in, on, at, to, from, with. As you can see in the original sentence, it doesn't have any prepositions. So you can ignore particle. これは100円です。これは100円です。Okay, this is 100 yen. Okay, what about, is this 100 yen? Is this 100 yen? How do you say that? Okay, all you need is just adding ka at the end of the sentence. Okay, ka is a Japanese question marker. So if you add ka, we can create yes/no question. これは100円ですか? これは100円ですか? That means, is this 100 yen? Okay, let's move on. Maybe you might want to ask, how much is this? How much is this? Okay, in order to make it, okay, we need to focus on price here. In this example, it says 100 yen. But when you go shopping in Japan, if you don't know the price, you need to say how much. Okay, how do you say how much in Japanese? ikura, ikura, ikura ですね。はい、that's a keyword for today. Ikura means how much. Okay, basically how much ikura. Ikura is basically for how much money. Okay? Okay, so you can say これはいくらですか?これはいくらですか? That means how much is this? これはいくらですか? Yes, if it's in English, we have to change the word order. But in Japanese, as you can see, word order is still the same. We don't have to worry about word order at this stage. これはいくらですか?これはいくらですか? Then shop person might say, あ、これは100円です。これは100円です。Okay, today we focus on the price-related expressions. How much is this? You can say, これはいくらですか?これはいくらですか? Then answer would be, if it's 100 yen, they might say, これは100円です。これは100円です。Okay, but in real setting, if you don't understand what the Japanese person said, because for non-native speakers, Japanese native speaker speak very fast. Native speakers' natural speed is a very fast speed for non-native speakers. So let's add some useful phrases if you don't understand. Okay, you can say, もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。もう一度 means once again. Then お願いします is please. Yeah, when you ask something, yes, お願いします is very useful expression. お願いします。もう一度お願いします。Once again, please. If native speaker hear that, they will repeat the phrase once again. Okay. Also, even if they speak slowly, if you don't understand, you can say this one. 紙に書いてください。紙に書いてください。紙 is a paper. に is on. 書いて is write as a request. ください is a polite way. We can translate as please. So please write it down on a piece of paper. We say 紙に書いてください。紙に書いてください。The good news is Japanese people also use digital number, so they can write it down. Then if you want to know the currency in your country, so maybe you can find out apps in the smartphone shop. You can download app before going to Japan. Today we focus on the price-related expressions. これはいくらですか?これは100円です。Then if you don't understand what they said, you can say もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。Then you can also say 紙に書いてください。紙に書いてください。I hope you understand what we learned today. So if you have any questions, please let me know. はい、ありがとうございました。